What up, YouTube? How you guys doing? RC Dave here. Gonna do a little unboxing of my brand new LiPo battery. It is a Turnigy Graphene Panther 6,000 milliamp 6S 75C battery pack with the XT90 connectors. Now, I know this battery is not new, but it's obviously new to me. And I couldn't find any unboxings of this battery, so I figured out why not do one and actually show you guys what you guys get and how much charge the battery gets once you receive it. Because obviously, if you can see right there on that top left corner, it's shipped at 30% charge. So you obviously want to bring it up higher than that, just a tad bit, and get it up to that storage mode. Or if you're getting ready to use it right out of the box, get it charged up all the way. Right now, I'm not going to use it, so I am obviously just going to charge it, get it up, get the each cell count up. So, and then when it's time to go and I'm ready to use it, I'll go ahead and get it charged up all the way. So I did purchase this battery from hobbyking.com. And the price tag is $129.99. So it's a pretty I guess steep price. I mean, depending what you like to pay for your lipos, but I mean, I know there's cheaper lipos, 6S wise, that are a little less in price, but I've paid for way cheaper batteries and they've lasted me a while. But the purpose of me getting this battery is I'm using it for speed runs and my ARMA Limitless. So I'm hoping getting a solid quality battery that just has a high burst rate puts me over the my goal as far as speed run goes. So I hope this battery works out and it's well worth the money. So enough of me blabbling, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys what you get. Don't mind the shadows. I got a little light here trying to brighten things up. So just a lid, whatever. Foam piece. Oh, got your little warning with all the instructions and before you charge and storage and all that stuff. So go ahead and keep that handy. That way, you know the safety. Be safe. And lipos aren't something to be messed with, especially kids. You don't ever want kids to charge these wrong or even be unattended without an adult supervision. So yeah, but whatever. So there it is right there. Look at that nice little sticker wrapped up, plenty of foam in the box. So I like that, like seeing that. This battery is pretty heavy. Nothing in there. Let's go ahead and get this wrapped. Wow, I feel like I'm unwrapping something illegal. There it is, guys. Wow, this battery's really heavy, solid. Nice packaging. It just feels great quality. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and got my battery checker. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in, and I will show you guys what it comes like, each cell. So I'll plug this in, scoot this over. Now this is the first time I'm plugging this in. Obviously I haven't checked this, so let's just see what it comes with. Obviously it's low and it's not out of storage mode, so let's just see exactly where they left it. So that's one cell, another cell, another cell. What is that? Cell 4, 5, and 6. Wow, that is very good. Look at that. Same numbers across the way, except when you get to what is that, the 5th cell, it's a little up. But hey, that is, I mean, that's damn near perfect in my opinion. I mean, couldn't ask for anything better. But yeah. So I've been using this right here. This is my 6S Gens Ace Pack. It is a 5,000 milliamp 45C battery. I haven't had any issues with this battery, but when I wasn't reaching my my speed goals, I started to, factor in that this battery probably just isn't cutting it. And that's no knock to Gen's Ace or this battery. It's just that I've had this battery for 2 years now, and obviously it is a lower discharge, even though, everyone says and debates that there's no really true C rating in batteries. I mean, some brands claim they 100% accurate, but anyways, that's a whole different discussion. But just to compare the size of these two batteries, so as you can see, well, let me switch them up. This is them standing up. So let me go ahead and get the camera. That's them. I mean, granted, this is only 1,000 more milliamps, but still, I mean, look at that. This thing, the thickness of this battery and the weight. I mean, this thing is got some weight to it, but this thing right here, this is a brick. Feels exactly just like a brick. And yeah, there's a XT90 connector, XT90 connector. All right, guys, so there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I do plan, like I said, to use it in my Armin Limitless. I'm hoping it helps me reach my speed goals. And when I do, I will get back to you guys and let you guys know how this battery turned out and what kind of performance you could get out of this battery. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with the update on this, and see you around.